thoughts on tech video.
This time with a sharpness comparison between the GoPro Hero 8 Black and Hero 7 Black. The test consists in pointing both cameras at the same target and see which delivers the sharpest results. These are the images in the original size they were captured. Here it is difficult to tell a clear difference between the two cameras. Having both images side by side, you can, in my opinion, see a slight difference with advantage for the Hero 8. Now let us zoom the images into 250%. Here I think that the difference I pointed out before becomes more noticeable. On the Hero 8 the numbers and also the black box on the bottom right are sharper. But let us zoom further in, to 350%. Here it is perfectly possible to notice that the images from the GoPro Hero 8 are sharper than the ones from the GoPro Hero 7. Hope you have enjoyed the video and this information was useful for you.